You are welcome to the next lesson. Kindly follow my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Today, we'll be providing a solution on this question on solid shape. You are asked to find the volume and surface area of this particular shape. Now, anytime you are trying to deal with shapes, the first thing you need to do is you must know the type of shape is it. So when you know the type of shape that you are dealing with, then you have to know the formula you are to apply. Now, the first question here should be which shape is this? And that is what we call triangular base prism. It is only prism that always have a uniform cross section, which means that the bottom of the shape will also be the same thing with the top of the shape. And that's what you are seeing here. This is a triangle at the bottom, triangle at the top. That is why prism they are different from pyramid. Prism have a uniform cross section, while pyramid don't have a uniform section. So this is a prism. And what type of prism? Triangular base prism. Because in prism, the base, the shape of the base give the name. So if the shape is a triangle, like we have there, we call it triangular base prism. If the shape is a trapezium, we call it trapezoidal prism. If the shape is a square base prism. If the shape is a rectangular base prism. But this particular one is a triangular base prism. This is a triangular base prism. Now, that's settled. To find the volume of a prism, the formula is always area of the cross section multiplied by the height. That is the height of the whole shape. Area of the cross section multiplied by the height of the shape. Now, what's our cross section here? Our cross section here is the triangle. That is the base. The triangle is the cross section. So that simply means that our volume for this shape becomes area of the triangle multiplied by the height of this shape. And what is the height of this shape? This is the height, which is this 20, is the height of this particular shape. So the volume now will become area of the triangle base, the triangle multiplied by height. And area of triangle, because this is the right angle triangle, give us 1/2 length times breadth. Or we can as well use 1/2 base times height. So that is that. But because it is a right angle triangle is like half of a rectangle. So now that a 1/2 length times. But if you still use base times height, you are still correct. So I'm using this. Then times the vertical height of the shape. So the volume of this shape, the formula for calculating the volume of this shape was 1/2 length times breadth times height. Then what's my length? This my length. This 8 is my length. This 6 is my breadth. And this 20 is my vertical height. Then I have 1/2 times 8 times 6 times height. Our height is 20. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. We are left with 4 times 6, that's 24. 24 times 20 will give us 480. So since its volume will always be what? In centimeter cube or meter cube. Since I don't put any unit there, I'm going to put unit cube. So that means the volume of this shape is 420 unit cube. So, and that is that about the volume. So now, the next question is surface area. How do you get the surface area of a particular shape? To calculate the surface area of a shape is always the base area. The base area plus the curved surface area. Base area plus the curved surface area. But here there is not, we don't have a curved surface, so we call it lateral area. So we are going to do the base area plus that word lateral area. Now, what is that? From this shape, that means it simply means when you are using total surface area, that means the addition of all the area that form that shape. The addition of all the basic shape that form the shape you are looking at. That's how to get total surface area. So now, how do you look at it? When you check this formula very well, this diagram very well. This side is a triangle, this side is a triangle. And the area of one triangle is 1/2 base times height. Or we can call it 1/2 length times breadth. So, and we have two of it. So I'm going to add the form area of this plus the area of this. That gives me 1/2 length times breadth plus 1/2 length times breadth. And if I add half plus half, it gives me 1. So that means the addition of the area of the bottom and the top is going to be what? LB. That is for the first one, LB. That is the first area. Then another thing you can see, you observe this, and this. And I call this one base, and I call this one height of it. So we are going to multiply these two together to get another area. Now give us what? Base times height. That's another area. The what else can we see? This is also another one, a basic shape from the diagram. Where this is similar to the last 20, which is the height. So this one to 20. And I call this one what? Length. That will give us another length times height. So the last one we can see from the diagram is this, and this. That's another thing you can see. So this place, let's label it as X. That means another thing you can see from here is the height and this side here. This height and this side here. And that gives us another one, which is HX. So for us to now calculate the total surface area of this shape, what you need to do is that we are going to add all this area. Get this area, get this area, get this. We now add everything together. It gives us our total surface area. So our formula for total surface area now, total surface area is going to give us LB plus BH plus LH plus HX. And that is how we are going to, what the areas we are going to get total surface area. And what is now, for me to go ahead to this formula, I don't know X, I need to get X. And for me to do that, I'll have to use my Pythagoras theorem down here. So we have 8, we have 6, and this is X. So how do I get this? Using Pythagoras theorem, which is hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. So to get this S, I'm just going to say S squared equals to opposite, that's 8 squared adjacent 6 squared 64 plus 36. And that is 100. So which is S squared equals 100. I'm looking for X, that is square root. S equals to square root of 100, and that is 10. So our X is what? 10. So I just put all the values inside this formula together. Now the first one is L. My L is 8. That is 8 times My B is 6, that's 6. Then plus the other one, B is the base, that's 6. The height of the O shape is 20. Then the other one, length LH. L, that is 8. Then the H, that's 20. Plus the height again. Height of the O shape is 20 times the size, that is 10. So find the area of this times this, that's 48. 6 times 20, that's 120. This times this is going to be 160. This times this will give you 200. And if you add this together, you're going to have 200 plus 160, that's 360. 360 plus 120 will give us 480. 480 plus 48, that is 528. So our answer to this is equals to 528. But because we are dealing with area, we are going to do unit square, since I don't put centimeter there. But we are given centimeter square. We are given meter as the value meter square. So you should know that. So the total surface area of this shape is 528 units square, and that is our final answer. If you enjoyed this video, try as much as possible to share to your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.